much be your school fees?
100K.
Not be 100,000 I sent for you. What happened to the money?
Daddy, I don't tell them at 30%.
Jesus! You might collect 30% for money I give you for school fees. I give you deal.
Baba, listen to me. We came out to follow your papa footstep. Then they match name. I rest my case on God.
Azaman. Yeah! Hey!
Hi guys, it's your boy OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. So please make sure to watch this video to the very end because I promise you, you're gonna like it. You feel me? So while watching, make sure to drop nice comments, like my video, share my video, and don't play. Let's go have some fun.
Funny people.
Small now. Wait, off the light first.
Who shall be off the light? Let's do this now. I want to see your face.
I don't like to do it with the light on. See, you enjoy me more with the light off.
I'm babe, have fun. I should have on the light now.
No, wait first. I need to undress. I'm still undressing.
Oh God, do fast now.
Do fast now.
My body's doing me jiggy.
Oh yeah, I'm coming.
Are you whining yourself?
I beg do this now. I don't try to do this now. Wait, nobody tell you. Nobody want to pay you. Which one say make I off light for my own ass again?
I wonder.
I beg you. I'm going this light.
A force fit for your face.
Where she dey?
She don't go.
Hey!
My TV. That's all I do for you. That's a place. Yeah.
Latif, oh.
What is your shot bell? What is that shot bell?
Okay.
Ah, my phone.
She don't steal phone too. Who does that? Which kind of nonsense with that one?
She don't know good.
Make una help me.
I don't tell anybody.
You be mumu.
It's not possible.
Thank you.
This guy has to get sense again.
Hey, my bag.
Jesus.
Am I doing too much? Am I? It's my own too much.
I don't take your bag.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You are welcome.
What's the generous? You're so handsome.
Aboki don't hear your son. So.
It's my pleasure, wallahi. Madam, please, can I have your number?
Bring your phone.
1 minute.
Okay.
We just pray.
You sure say no be your own phone and carry?
Jesus!
La ilaha illallah, Subhanallah azim. Madam, wallahi there is a problem. Madam, wallahi there is a big problem.
Don't steal your phone.
Madam, you know that guy when have you collect your bag from? Wallahi I don't collect my iPhone 17 collect from us.
Jesus!
Please don't tell me sorry. Madam, wallahi Allah go pay me my phone back.
I have money. I'm so sorry.
Please don't tell me sorry.
Did I call you to come?
You like going to go?
No, Yawa.
Otilo.
It's gone.
It's gone, man.
Look, I am tired of this relationship. You call yourself my sugar boy, but there's no sugar at all in you. This relationship is getting boring. In fact, it is boring. Can't you add some spice to it? Look, it's like you're just here for my money. If you know you cannot add some spice to this relationship, then I'm done. Can't you see what my friends, the sugar boys, do for them? In fact, look.
Stop it.
Madam, rise up and walk.
Oh, me, oh, say, go to say, oh, nobody go to the bala, to the polo, to the polo, to the
Look, if you cannot add some spice to this relationship, then we are done. Am I not talking to somebody?
I don't add your own spice.
Where is he?
Spider-Man.
Don't worry. Spicy will let you kill this relationship.
Now you are talking.
I also brought my friend, Superman.
You and your friend should come and twerk for me. Let me give you some money.
Say, Obotibadi, nobody go shady bala, shady polo, shady polo, nigga shady banga, doja shady bala, shady polo.
Make her work hard. Go carry the money, give you we not a bit work. Abi?
So right about now, this one are the documents for increment of rent. And I with this, we go concern put.
Landlord, what did they stop now? The law shout happy new year for this country. All the landlords will all gang up, increase that rent. What did they happen? First of all, shout happy new year. May drink water drop cup. Then you want to happy new year, they're going to increase that rent. You don't even say when they pay pass now. Old house. How can you build 1984? One they call in your bed. Who gets? Who POP? I do the floor for you. You say increase.
I send you. I got the watch. I said
One of the increase that rent for this country.
did I send you to relocate? Mukbao. This my husband tenants are when the parents said they argue now. I got the year. Not be you, man. Not. Who are you? Who is this one?
Now, Penta.
Now the white pets, when you say motel pen the house, made it for the color. White house. Now please.
Pluto, who is he?
Now, my Penta. Let me call on me come pen this house to White House.
Oh.
I discover say for this full community, now let this house they don't paint.
Okay.
So the house, they give us better image outside.
Oh,
now
image.
so they come paint and so that we know say yes, that has Pluto and enter the store.
Now so, Oswald. Not be this one at the top just now. How you take out trench gates? You don't renovate floor compound.
But now we go make all landlord the increase our strength for this country.
You can go blame on your government. Blame your government. Because now what you take the survive with this? I didn't know how much before. How do you think I should buy
Person go born pikin and increase our strength. Person go your back and increase our strength. Person go get girlfriend and increase our strength. When did they stop?
Hey, quiet there! Hey, Pluto, when you come to stay in this house, didn't you say, now two of you and your girlfriend, not be battalion, they stay there, subletting. Now you they sublet. And they, okay.
Another one don't shoot. Let me can do this with this.
Now when they quarrel, you come out. Now when they quarrel, you come out.
And now your OS with this one now.
Landlord now OS.
See the one where you carry, Ofu Kubena, the one where they used to want to take the push. Now you they carry now. In fact, Pluto, this one, it doesn't no longer hold water. I go edit this one. But for what I just saw now 1 million I be put here before, or 500k to 1 million. Now it's not going to be 1.5 because of what I just see so. You understand me now? So I will edit this one, I will come and give it back. Mukbao, say the open one. You didn't pay rent before. You didn't pay. Oswald. One more thing. If you are going to paint this house, not be the one where they say, no painter, you want to carry my house. No, I'm not to stop you. Paint as you like. If you are going to paint it, it's 2 million naira. If you are not going to paint 1.5, you have a choice. So I will edit this one. I will edit this one and bring your whole copy so that you can sign. If you not stay, you back. You back. I don't need you. Oswald.
What this landlord say? Person only progress, they only increase rent. After, they don't fit sell this pen because I don't fit for this man wahala.
Pluto, they say no refund.
No refund after payment. Trouble twins. When I don't change clothes.
Adam, my twins they be.
Officer, they be twins so.
No, we be duplicates.
Officer, you might be they be duplicate. Officer, I never hear him before. Hey, come here. Whether duplicate or not, whether twins or not, how we know say I arrest one of una and the person wrong come out. Who be that person?
This boy. You don't get my sote, you go to escape from officer of the law. Officer na the criminal be this.
Come, not the case. But now I confuse officer of the law. If I no get respect for anything, and I no get respect for this tribal man where they my colleague face.
No, Yoruba man no.
Hey, quiet. You want body shame my colleague? You do bad to enjoy police. The person will do this tribal man not sure. They hear me so. Like the guy they worry that you find a most station back. Hey! And give this guy belly and you deny him. You know if he talk. You know if he talk.
Na lie, you dey talk.
You go regret your life, don't worry. Okay, speak up. I say now you give this guy belly. Now look at now this guy no fit talk now. You go sleep with death.
Officer, na lie.
You go sleep with them.
As you know they talk now, I don't want me this woman survive this thing alone.
You go do like this. You no go talk. Oh, yeah, do am. You do your own. But one of them they talk before. How come two of them they talk now?
Officer, if we dey far to each other, the network they disconnect. But when we dey close, the network they connect.
Everybody don't. Sergeant, that your pistol still there with you. Scatter one of your
Very crazy. Who's down and still on the block bullet? Officer, calm down. We go confess.
Oh, yeah, I'm begin confess now. I'm know who they follow us restriction. If not, one of them leg go spoil here. Who give a belly?
Officer, I swear to God. Nah, him.
I don't dare my friends. We must learn a lesson.
So as you dey do all these things now, wetin be your gain?
And money be my gain for this job. What shall it profit a man? You know here, what shall it profit a man? That is what in this life what you are doing. What is your profit?
Aboli. But say you be prophet. You know wetin Bible even talk about the love of money.
Always make sure that you love what you do not have. I go dey lie for you. Yes, now you go love what you do not have. That's why they say in Hebrew chapter 13 verse 5. Amen. Now for you. I say in Hebrew chapter 13 verse 5. It says there, do not love money. Be satisfied with what you have. How can you be satisfied when you do not have?
Oswald.
You understand me? If you do not have, you can't be satisfied. That's why I say do not love money. Be satisfied with what you have. It means you don't get the money first because you been the lover. Now you can't get and you can't satisfy. So if you do not have, how will you satisfy?
So especially they turn Bible upside down.
Chibike, right? Bonsoir. I like him. I've been to Costa Rica.
What's going on here?
This is Chibike, your new friend teacher.
Oh, okay.
Ha! You know Barnabas said he's going for a break. Ha! I think I will stay back home. Let me continue teaching now. Let the break wait first. No, Barnabas, you need the break now. Chibike, what do you wish to go for a break in your job?
Quelle est la date aujourd'hui?
Exactly.
Waiting this one, Papa, they talk for you.
You people should get to know each other now.
Je n'ai pas les velets que quoi nous.
Bonsoir. But my prana day la me and you so aside. I like it. Sir, with due respect, let me sing. Oui.
Which kind of problem is this one now? Waiting with this one. But you know c'est ton that supposed fire.
I know you before.
Sabi speak French.
Why you won't come collect my job?
Why the thieves get up?
You should speak French.
I know Sabi.
I think they're getting along.
Oui, bonsoir.
I like them already.
You know what you speak. But I waiting be we just talking now.
Oh, auntie!
How are you? Barnabas, Chibike, come, eh? Come.
You respect yourself. Behave yourself.
Barnabas, Chibike, meet Tracy.
Sister, well done.
She's my business partner from France. From France.
Yes. She does have to speak French.
Oh, Chim.
Bonjour, comment ça va les gars? Vous voulez manger la banane?
They follow you talk now.
You know your banana. You know Barnabas. Banana. You they follow talk.
You say from Banana Island.
Who's that my talking?
C'est quoi? Calmez-vous, je parle la vive d'or. Pourquoi vous êtes pas comme ça tout?
Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Si tu peux m'aider, I want make up. Touch me again.
Donc, dis-moi, comment ça va avec le boulot et tout?
Wow.
Ça va bien avec les études?
Right. I think the two of you can work together. Yeah, no, work together.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ravi, enchanté, hein?
Sir, this is when I will need that break. Why?
You know that.
Tu le mets, non? Le mets au français. Tu appelles le français où?
Bonjour, nous la mouvée.
Ventrolino
via Poetry Potterman.
You don't jump persons that we speak French. Azaman.
Emma,
Yes?
you not supposed to do school. What did they do for us for money?
My teacher said if I don't pay school fees, they will pursue me.
You don't need to pay school fees now.
Yes.
How much be your school fees?
100K.
I don't send them to you. Shall I teach you how to do transfer?
Yes.
I'm going to go run them for school. Try they learn, oh, they learn.
So, this one can get accounts already.
Emma,
Yes.
why you not there for school?
They pursue me for school fees.
Not be school fees I give you this money.
They say you're not rich.
How much be your school fees?
100K.
Not be 100,000 I sent for you. What happened to the money?
Daddy, I don't tell them at 30%.
Jesus! You mind they collect 30% for money I give you for school fees? I give you the...
Baba, listen to me. Pikin when they follow your papa footstep, then they match name. I rest my case on God.
Azaman.
Yeah. Street. Don't burn street.
Street, don't burn street. Say the Emma, the era. Your wife caught you with another lady.
Hello?
Hello? Honey, where are you now?
I'm with my friend Emeka. We went to grab some drinks.
Now, wow. I'm seeing someone in front of me with a lady, and that person looks like you.
No, it's not me. Oh. Me, I'm here with my friend Emeka. I did not go anywhere with any woman. Oh.
Okay, if you say so. But look back first.
Yeah! It's me. Oh. I've caught me and Emeka. Honey, welcome. Oh. This is my friend, Mr. Emeka. Emeka, my wife.
Mr. Emeka, nice to meet you. How are you? Yeah. So, darling, when did lady start bearing the name Emeka?
Actually, this one is transgender. You can see the muscles.
Yes, even he has bum too.
Well, we thank the Lord.
She's identified as a man.
I want problems always.
Elekere emelu ni mo kuye.
Ṣé question and answer mo wá ṣe ń bí ni bí mi pé Elekere so jẹun bí mi pé belu lẹ pè mí èmi ò mọ̀.
Oúnjẹ tó bá fẹ́ kò sí oúnjẹ tó bá fẹ́ tí mi ò ní fún ẹ.
Ṣé ní pizza?
Mo fẹ́ kó gbọ́ tèmi gbogbo ẹ ló máa rà fún ẹ.
Okay, mo ti gbọ́.
Kò ní sùúrù.
Má bá bọ̀.
Ṣé mo bó ṣe jẹ́ sí mi sá?
Èmi ò mọ̀ àfi tẹ́ bá tó sọ lókù o.
O mo bó ṣe jẹ́ sí mi.
Mi mọ̀.
Your mother and myself are sister and sister.
Ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń tò. Bó ló ti fẹ́ yé mi bá ṣé mo lọ school ni.
Okay. Màmí àti màmá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n àtàbúrò ni.
Fine. Boy ẹ jọra wọn. The way tẹ́ ṣe jọ ń think kan ò jọra wọn.
Ó dà bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ò ní bẹ́ẹ̀ jà. Okay. So tó bá sọ sí mi lénìí, mi ní bẹ́ẹ̀ jà tó ní mo fẹ́ tún ayé ẹ̀ ṣe. Tó ní mo fẹ́ kí tiẹ̀ dá. Tó ní mo fẹ́ kó yé dojú tì mí ní ta gbangba.
Tí ẹ bá fún mi iṣẹ́, nǹkan tó bá mi ẹ tẹ́ bá ti ní fún mi iṣẹ́ jẹ́ kí n tètè máa lọ.
Iṣẹ́ ò ló fẹ́ ṣe.
Doctor.
Ó dà wá kọ́kọ́ lọ school náà. Ṣé wàá kàwé?
Mi lè lọ school o.
Báwo ló fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ doctor tó bá kàwé? Báwo ló fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ doctor tó kàwé? Ṣé orí ń dùn ẹ ni?
Mo lè lọ ṣe chemist náà.
Ó dà mo ti gbọ́ nǹkan tó bá ti fẹ́ ṣe ni máa fún ẹ ṣe ṣùgbọ́n má jalè mọ́.
Kò sí wàhálà mọ́.
Ọ̀rọ̀ olè yìí mi fẹ́ kó jà mọ́. Sọ́ńtírì. Báwo ni? Látẹ̀kọ́ mo dẹ̀ ń pe fóònù ẹ̀ ò lọ. Kí ló ṣe ló sọ switch off? Wọ́n
ti jí fóònù mi.
Bó ṣe máa jí fóònù ẹ, bó ṣe dàgbà tó yìí, ó ṣe máa ní wọ́n jí fóònù ẹ.
Mi mọ̀, wọ́n yọ lára mi ni, ó smart gan ni.
Ẹ̀gbọ́n, sẹ́yìn kọ́lẹ̀ wà ń bí wallpaper yìí ni.
Mo tún bí bèjì.
Wàláhì mi mọ̀ para lé mi mo jà ló lé o, mo yọ́ngbà tí mo rí wọn lọ́jà ni, mo rí yín lọ́jà òde náà.
O rí pé kò smart.
Kò smart kankan.
O smart, wọ́n tún yọ fóònù ẹ lára, o tún mọ̀, ẹni tó yọ fóònù ẹ lára ń bíbá. Ṣáà máa lọ.
Kò smart rárá. Abẹ́rẹ́ rí aṣọ làbákẹ́ olódodo tí ó fẹ́ jáde sí sinimá ni ní March 28 ẹ̀rí. Mo ṣe ń jọ lára ẹnìyẹn nù ẹnìyẹn gan kò smart kankan tiẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin kọ́ ẹni tí mò ń jọ lára ẹ̀ náà ni.
Nígbà wo ló sáré jí ilé ìsinsìn kó tí mo kó síbí báyìí sìn?
Ìgbà tẹ́nìyẹn lọ sí òkè ni tó gun upstairs ó sì fi mí sí sitting room kò smart kankan.
Ilé kó àdúrà aṣọ tó tó yìí tó lórí ọ̀la.
Kí n mọ̀ pé.
Kí ni mo ṣe fún ẹ̀wọ̀n ọmọ yìí? Sórí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ báyìí ó ti wá gba pé kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe ṣùgbọ́n kí n disgrace ẹ lọ.
Ẹ wo tó ìdí tí mo.
Wọ́n máa wọ black bonnet fún ẹ.
Ẹ bá kí ṣe kí ló tẹ̀ pariwo ni.
Ọ̀pọ̀ ló fẹ́ jẹ́ fún.
Kí ló tẹ̀ yín pariwo ni.
Tí bá wẹ̀ ẹ́ ń gbà sí. Èmi màá ní. Ó ṣe lágídí ọba mú nínú ẹbí wa màá ní.
Kí wá ní. Ẹsẹ̀ mi gbò.
Sóyè àti bẹ́ẹ̀ mi wá black bonnet mi. Mo máa go like by disgrace.
Dey play. Mo rí gẹ́gẹ́.
Black bonnet wey don steal.
Má worry. O tún jí black bonnet. National treasure. O tún jí national treasure.
Ẹ má pariwo. Ẹ má ti ń dé. Ẹ má dà.
Fóònù mi dà. Mo fi fóònù yẹn sí ìbàyẹn sìn.
Ẹni bá sì fóònù wọn rèé o. Ẹ lọ life. Ọ̀dà. Ìyẹn 30,000 ti ń wò wá. Ẹ wò ó justice for Elekere tí nǹkan bá ṣe mí o. Tí nǹkan bá lọ ṣe mí. Ẹ ò ní o. Àwọn rèé o. Àwọn rèé làbákẹ́ lódodo rèé o. Tí nǹkan bá lọ ṣe mí pẹ́rẹ́. Ó yẹ yín fásitì ẹ máa bó. Ìyẹn 40,000 ti ń wò wá life.
Justice for me too.
I love you. I swear to God made me.
I hate you!
What's up? Why are you recording? What? Why are you recording?
So like this.
you people will clear this.
Hey! What are you doing here? What are you doing on my father's land? Oh, okay, you want to ignore me?
You know what?
You want to ignore me? See, finish. Where is that your footstep? Where did you match?
Wait. Wait, you want to threaten me?
You think it's a joke?
You come and collect my sound of my footsteps.
Dead body to surplus.
You too.
You can't even to.
Hey!
You go, eh!
So it has gotten to this.
Hey, it has gotten to this.
Pew.
You disappear.
Hey!
You don't throw me, yo. Thanks guys for watching to the very end. I believe you enjoyed yourself. What's your favorite part of the video? Drop it right in the comment section. And please, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You feel me? Please make sure you do that. Make sure you do that. Check out my other videos. There's so many fantastic videos on my channel. Check them out. Believe me, trust me, you're gonna like them. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.